Phet Simulations is the fourth choice that I picked as a resource. I picked this one because when I click on subject, it shows the different types of science and math subjects. And so I can have the students go to this website and say we're working on earth science, and the grade level is elementary school. It will bring up the ones that I can use for whatever content area I'm studying. As you can see, it doesn't look like there's very many. However, I think like the gravity and orbit, I think this would be a fun one that they could do. This is intended for the audience of my students. And my goal for this is so that they can see how things work in a different way to understand it. And they can actually use the simulator and they can manipulate it themselves by changing different things on there. And it will show what happens as soon as they change it, which is really cool. So if you click play on this one, for instance, gravity and orbit, it's taking a while to load. Here it goes. Okay, so gravity and orbit. So here's the model. And then this one's to scale. So then when you click, you can choose your gravity force. You can choose with the moon, the sun, and the earth. This one's just with the sun and the earth. Gravity on, gravity off. Okay, and then like the velocity, you can change the velocity, change the mass of the sun, the mass of our planet. Okay, tells you the mass. And then whatever you pick here, you can, this spreads it out more, this makes it closer. Okay, so then once you've picked your information over here, then you click play and it will show you what's happening. So it's gonna orbit, it shows you down here how many days it is into the orbit. So then I can return my object. It went out of my view screen. So now I can, our sun. Let me change the gravity force and the path and hit play. So this shows me the path that it's going. Not quite sure why this one isn't circling, but I still have to mess with it a little bit in order to work on it. Oh, if we look at it in the model view, I bet that works. So now let's hit play, see what happens. Oh, there we go. We put it in model view, then it will show them how it's orbiting. So I think that's pretty cool, and I plan on using this in my classroom. Thank you.